Imagine waking up every morning knowing that one small mistake or one unexpected problem could cost you everything. In America, this fear is very real. Not because people are weak, not because they don't work hard, but because the system doesn't forgive mistakes. Here, safety does not come automatically. It is something you have to buy. Protection has a price. Security has a monthly bill. And this is the reason Americans insure almost everything. Behind this lifestyle, millions of people live with constant financial pressure. Not because they are careless, not because they don't work hard. The system itself is expensive and unpredictable. One medical bill, one car accident, one unexpected emergency, and a normal life can change overnight. This is why insurance plays such a huge role in American life. This is the real insurance reality in America. In the United States, many basic services are private, not fully supported by the government. Healthcare is private. Transportation is mostly private. Housing protection is private. Even legal protection often depends on private companies. Unlike countries where the government handles most support systems, in America, people are expected to protect themselves financially. That means one unexpected problem can quickly turn into a financial crisis. A short hospital visit, a small car accident, or even water damage in an apartment. These situations can cost thousands of dollars, sometimes even more. For most Americans, insurance is not a luxury. It is not about comfort, it is about survival. Let's talk about healthcare. The U.S. healthcare system is one of the most expensive in the world. Without insurance, even basic medical care can be shocking. A simple doctor visit can cost over $100. Blood tests, X-rays, and basic treatments quickly increase the bill. Emergency room visits are far more expensive. In many cases, a short emergency visit can cost thousands of dollars. That is why most Americans pay monthly health insurance. Every month, part of their income goes to insurance even if they never visit a doctor. Insurance does not make healthcare free. People still pay deductibles, co-payments, and out-of-pocket costs. But insurance reduces the financial shock. Without it, many Americans would avoid medical care completely. This system creates fear, stress, and anxiety, but it also creates dependence on insurance. Now let's talk about car insurance. In most U.S. states, car insurance is required by law. Driving without insurance is illegal. It can lead to heavy fines, license suspension, and even court cases. Cars are not optional in America. In many cities and suburbs, public transportation is limited. People depend on their cars for work, groceries, school, and daily life. Even a small car accident can become very expensive. Medical bills, car repairs, and legal claims add up quickly. Car insurance protects drivers from paying everything themselves. Without it, one accident can destroy someone financially. Now let's talk about housing and renters insurance. Many Americans rent their homes. Even people with good jobs often choose renting because buying a home is expensive. Renters insurance protects personal belongings, laptops, phones, furniture, clothes, electronics. If there is a fire, theft, or water damage, renters insurance helps cover the loss. It is usually affordable but extremely helpful during emergencies. Homeowners also pay for home insurance. Homes are valuable assets. Storms, fires, or accidents can cause damage worth tens of thousands of dollars. Insurance becomes a safety net in a high-risk system. Now let's talk about life insurance. Life insurance is very common in America, especially for families. People buy life insurance to protect their loved ones. If something happens to the main earner, life insurance helps cover funeral costs, rent or mortgage, debts, and daily expenses. It gives families financial support during the most difficult moments of their lives. This shows how Americans think about the future. They don't expect the system to take care of everything. They prepare in advance. In America, Insurance is not only about fear, it is about responsibility. It is about living in a system where protection is mostly private. That is why Americans insure almost everything: health, cars, homes, rentals, and even their lives. Understanding insurance helps you understand America itself, a country full of opportunity, but also full of risk. In the next video, we will explain health insurance in the USA, step by step, simple, clear, and honest.